City Hotel and Casino Lahu. Symbolizing our commitment, run finishers will be given the opportunity to complete the 4-piece medal, which this one.
Oh.
We will have the 21 km category, 10 km category, 5 km tandem with children between 12 to 17 years old. We also have the 3 km tandem with children 7 to 11 years old. And we also have the 1 km tandem with children 6 years old and below. The route for this run will start and finish in Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino. This course will pass through major downtown landmarks in Cebu. The 3-kilometer and 1-kilometer runners will be running around the hotel. The highlights, as we celebrate the second lease in life for Heart Warriors, the Citron Run for Gift of Life will also have our Heart Warriors as our special guests during this event. Some of them will be joining the fun, walk, run, and others will be handing out the medals to the finishers. Registration sites will be online via Megatech website or via online Google form or on-site registration. I would like to acknowledge our race director from Coco Running, Mr. Joel Juarez. The route will be determined later on and the time as we are seeking approval from the city. We have prepared something for a teaser for this run. April,
hi everyone, I'm Charles Ong, President of Rotary Club of Cebu.
Over 115 kids. That was
Last year.
that was the milestone we hit last year, and this year we are on track to hit a milestone of over 100. Our commitment is 100, but I think we can hit more than that. So 100 is the milestone we want to commit as a club, and we normally hit that. We are on track, so in terms of where we are today, in reference to last year, we are similar in terms of the number of kids we have operated. And the good thing about it is we've expanded our reach. So instead of just Cebu, we have already reached out to different hospitals in Bacolod and in Metro Manila. So it's not only in Cebu, so we're doing it also in other cities.
So welcome to the run of the Gift of Life, and the run. This is organized by the Rotary Club of Cebu. It's really for children or even people with congenital heart defects. So CHD. CHD is a big one, It's a really difficult disease to manage, especially for parents na may kids with CHD. Dahil mauni siya. One of our beneficiaries who got a free operations, heart operation diri. And the nice thing, before padaman nila mga bata sa Manila, this time this kid was only operated sa Vicente Soto. So they didn't have to go to Manila, pay for hotel, katong magkuhan pa sila, mangita pa sila accommodation. Di ba? So kani ang bata naoperahan lang sa Soto. Which is nice. Mao ni ang nakanindot ani nila kay, di ba? Para by the way, if you have family or you want to help kung namoy kailan na CHD, mao ni mga kinahanglan. Barangay referral floor. Then let it echo. Scan the QR code. So mo nang kuan na to. Ako nang i-post niya sa akong page. Pero minimum 6 months old and 6 kilograms and maximum 21 years old. Rotary Club of Cebu will help, the Gift of Life program for congenital heart defect. Di ba?
May something sa iyang heart. Mahinog tingog ba? kanang moto di advisean mi nga ipa-check og kanang pedia
Cardio.
cardio o pedia cardio nya moto ni antot niya ni nangutan ako sa Vicente Soto naaram daw sila yung pedia cardio nya pero dapat anto mi sa kanang sana kanang sa outpatient na dira ba nya moto ni anto mi tapos pag anto na mo kay wala kay hibalo nga ang iyang oxygen kay ubos na di ay 91% na lang dapat daw 94 and above nya moto gipa di admit mi dito na diyon siya na confirm nga nagi something sa heart
Pero luya-luya siya, anak.
So, niwang ba siya? O sa man niya? Maglisod ba ginhawa?
niwang siya tapos
Kaya appetite, ano ba?
kuan lahi siya sa ubang bata kay kanang dili gani siya katong kusog na kay mukatkat bisag 1 year old na nya na ba nya kanang hinay ra gyud siya ba kanang murag nya usahay kay murag naa inig ginhawa niya kay naim murag tingog murag siya kung hangap dili mi kasabot sa nga tipo
So, giunsa niyo pagkahibawa ning kuan?
Wala dyan may kabalo.
Let it echo, oo.
Kaning Rotary ba?
wala mi kabalo jud sa about Rotary Club ang kuan ang doktor kalay nanawag namo kay dugay naman sa mga 1 year na sa misigig balik-balik sa ospital kay kuan niya amo ana naman sila magbuhat lang ta kay basig na ay next na charity ano nya mo to natawagan gid mi
So, mga usa ka tuig sa iyong huwat dahil, ha? So, wala ka kuyawi pag-opera niya, ma'am?
pulbaan sir niya ako ra pa jud isa
Ah,
nya first time din ako na mo operahan ba basta yun hindi na ko ma-explain na kung kuan
Kasi ka nang, hindi undang nga ubo.
Tik mawala ra siya ni gumanog ka ng tambal niya nanasad.
sige,
every month
ubon ng
niya
perme.
siya ba? Ya lahi pa jud nga ubo kay dili siya normal nga ubo. Kanang lagsik ko ra buyog.
yan dayon kuan, ma'am. Pila man ka oras to yung operasyon?
Kadiyo trom raglas dan 1 hour man siguro to.
Yung recovery.
Dali ra sad.
So, nakagawas na rin mo
Oo,
dayon.
nakagawas na medalyo. Cyrus.
So, Cyrus. Salamat kayo.
Cyrus.
Kaya na kayo.
Cyrus. Two na, ma'am, no?
Oo.
Tuna.
Padong na mo train ni Cyrus di ay.
Masay mo?
So they're one of the beneficiaries of the run of the gift of life. So imagine na yung mga yan na beneficiaries ba. So a lot of people might know someone also na needs that. Pero if you want to support the movement, join the run of the gift of life because it will happen this May. Then because it will, ang aim din nila is to gather funds to to sustain the program, to pay for the doctors, to pay for the operation. Diba? And of course, makatabang sa bang mga nanginahanglan. Diba? So kung namoy ganahan i-refer naasad na ni tanawa lang sa ilang page ang Let It Echo para sama ni Cyrus basig natay maluwas na bata. So, kato sa mga nanagan in the past editions of Run the Gift of Life, mani mga resulta naman ni nalay mga batang sama ni Cyrus na naluwas nato, na prolong nato yung life, na improve ang quality of life, di na sila kato maglisod o ginhawa, nitubo sa ngayo, lagsik na kaayo. So you have to fun. Labi na kung ganahan mo mutabang, if you want to join around na nagi real purpose, na real tabang na ang run of the gift of life, diba? So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching because Cyrus is just one of the beneficiaries of the run. Ano man na, support nata. Okay? Huwag na mga naganda sa dagan, no? Diba? Mauni. So naghuwat na sa press conference to learn more on this year's edition.
I'd like to acknowledge first the many people who have supported us for this event. No? So the runners and the social media and content creators, thank you for being here. We have the medical team headed by Dr. Thank you for joining us today. We'd also like to thank the beneficiaries and the families. Thank you for also being here to share your stories. And also Rotarians and interactors, thank you for joining us today. This has been a 7-year fundraising activity. Before that, the program has been ongoing even more than 7 years. But it was a different way of doing fundraising. So for 7 years, we have done this Run for Gift of Life, and we're very happy with the output. The objective here is really to raise funds and to raise awareness. So we can help in different ways. One is to help invite more runners to join us, or the other one is to donate funds to the program as well. There was a discussion earlier about the target, and that's a huge amount of money in terms of the cost to operate one kit. But rest assured, Rotary Club of Cebu has already found a strategic way in terms of partnering with a hospital, in terms of partnering with a medical team to lower the cost. So each peso goes a long way. So I'd like to ask for everyone's help and support to continue in promoting this run, this fundraising. And while running, we also save lives. We ourselves are contributing to this big cause. So hopefully, a lot of people will turn out and looking forward to a successful mission and event. Thank you very much.